Salmon Cove, Newfoundland is a charming town in Newfoundland and Labrador with a rich history and a friendly community. In 1857, Salmon Cove and the nearby Southern Ghat had a combined population of 529 people. Among them, 27 were born in Ireland. By 1901, the population grew to around 700, with most people working as fishermen in the Labrador fishery. But when the Labrador fishery declined in the 1920s and 1930s, the population of South River, including Salmon Cove, decreased too. Salmon Cove was likely the first part of South River to be settled by fishermen. It quickly became the main area of town, featuring many houses, an Anglican school and church, and later on, the town hall. Back in 1855, people wanting to build homes or businesses here needed a grant from the Crown. In the late 1950s, the Salmon Cove poultry farm began operations. The old Anglican school became the storage place for eggs, and the guild hall was used for raising hens. These eggs were sold all over Newfoundland. Salmon Cove has a rich history and remains a lovely place to visit and explore. We hope you enjoy discovering its story as much as we did.